Okay, guys, good morning. Uh, right now it's almost 2 minutes to the open. Okay, so we are expecting the market to be a little volatile today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so this should be your time. The Nasdaq in the stock market opens at 9:30 Eastern time. Okay, so I'm in Central time, so I'm 2 hours behind. So my time, my opening time is 7:30. Okay, so you just reference the stock exchanges, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so we are looking for a $500 profit. Okay, so if we lose 500, we stop trading. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so we're not gonna risk. If the conditions are not there, the market will not give you the profits. Okay, it's that easy. The market is open, guys. Okay, win the first trade up 191. Okay, if you're copying accounts, you should be, if you're copying two accounts, if you're looking for a $300 profit, okay, you shouldn't do two contracts. You should do one contract and copy two accounts more. It will be $300. So you will be done for the day. Just think about it. I'm talking about this, guys, because I want you to understand the risk. Okay, so be aware of that. Okay, it was a loser. Immediately recouped. Okay, up to 33. Okay, and Q is up $400. We are trading one contract, guys. I'm gonna show it later. up 424 on the ES. This is life-changing money, guys. If you don't really believe that this program can work this way, it's very difficult. You can check the market. You can do the replay on the market, or I mean, you just open the chart of the ES of today, the first 5 minutes. Compare the bars. It's the same thing, guys. It's not. I'm not making anything up. You know, it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm disabling for the day at 6:16. So you do the math. If you were copying many accounts, or you were just trading one account. Okay, so it is what it is, guys. That's it. Okay, so I will be showing you the Nasdaq. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the NQ. The NQ is 334. Okay, so 334 on the momentum lines. Okay, so as you can see, the refreshing is very slow. It's not like other days. Okay, this is what I tell you about this software, guys, that you need to be able to see when to enable the program. Okay, so yes, the momentum is it was like $200. Now it's minus 18. So we're expecting the market to push on. So let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, was a winner in the momentum. I mean, the scalper 105 is $87. Okay, so how much time do you need for trading, guys? How much time do you need? It is what it is. I'm showing you live here. Okay, so nothing else to hide, or you know, if this money is not gonna change your life, okay, go keep on clicking the mouse. Keep on clicking the mouse, and you know, and just believing that you can beat the market. This is computer. This is the machine is gonna do that 2 million process per second. You're not able to do that, guys. It's impossible. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. If you need contact me, you can email me. You can Skype me. Remember that we're moving to Teams, so it's the same thing. You just go into Teams and just import your contacts. It's very easy. So Skype is gonna be discontinued, but Teams has been made the update, so very easy to update. There's nothing you can do. It's very easy to do. Okay, so we're moving to Teams, guys.